Hi, I'm Adam Jennings, Senior Solutions Architect at DoubleCloud, and today I'm going to show you how to get started with our visualization service. So I went ahead and clicked on log in with my Google single sign-on there, and it brings me my clusters page. I want to go over here to the left-hand side and go down to visualization. I click on this. So I've already created the skeleton of the workbook, so I'll go ahead and click on my bookings workbook. And from here, you need to build your connection, then your data set, then your dashboard on top of your data set. So I'll go ahead and create my connection. In this case, it is a ClickHouse connection, and my host name is here. And give me 1 second, and I'll give username and password. Usually for a username, I'd set up an account just for visualization with read-only purposes. In this case, I'm just going to use my admin, and I'm going to allow this user to do custom SQL connection. So I'll go ahead and create the connection. Bookings, data sets. Go ahead and check it here. I've got the green check mark, good to go. All right, so now I have a connection. So now I need to create a data set that uses that connection. So I'll go here to data set. Top left, I'll choose my connection, choose my bookings data set. You can see here I've got the database all bookings and then the bookings table. So I'll click on that and drag it over here. And now you can see here at the bottom, it's starting to do some preview of some of the data for me. So I'm good there. So I'll go ahead and save this as my bookings data. And then once I do that, what I want to do on top of this is I want to create a dashboard. But I already have one created as our demo dashboard here. So I'll go ahead and click on this. Just a lot easier than trying to build each one of these individually as we're talking. So you can see here, it shows some of my date ranges here, give me opportunities to do some drill downs, choose houses here. It'll change the rest of the charts on the dashboard. And if you want to see some of the other chart types, I'll move my screen here, and you can see some of the different chart types between most of the common chart types, different bars, different stack bars, pie, donuts, some line charts. You get some cool indicators, some tree maps, and down here at the bottom, you get some points and some scatter plots as well. So quickly and easy, set up a connection to your data, give it the permissions to the data set, and then create your visualizations on top of that data set. If you have any questions or want a demo, feel free to reach out. Always looking forward to talk to you.